This story is about a little raccoon named Tippy who miraculously survived a tragedy and found a home where he is loved and cared for. His life could have been cut short the moment he found himself alone in the middle of the road, but fate decided otherwise. And now, he is proving that even the most fragile creatures are capable of great love and trust. Tippy was found on a busy Florida highway. He was lying next to his mother, who had unfortunately been hit by a car. Someone pulled over, noticed the tiny raccoon, and couldn't pass him by. They carefully picked him up, wrapped him in a blanket, and brought him to me, a man who has dedicated his life to saving wildlife. When I saw Tippy for the first time, my heart broke. He looked so defenseless, like a tiny bear cub. I knew we had a long road to recovery ahead of us, but I had no idea how much it would change my life. The 2 months of rehab went relatively smoothly. We fed him, cared for him, and he seemed to be getting stronger. But then the warning signs began to appear. Tippy began to move strangely. His gait became unsteady. He stumbled and fell frequently. The vet confirmed the diagnosis: cerebellar hypoplasia. That meant his coordination would never be normal and he would not survive in the wild. Tippy stayed with me, and I did everything I could to keep him happy. He's now a full member of my family. Every morning, he wakes up in his little hammock, stretches, and immediately waits for his food. I put on his diaper, and he jumps around the house happily. He doesn't know any other life and looks perfectly happy. He loves to play with toys, dig in soft bedding, and chase imaginary enemies. When he is happy, he jumps and swings and seems to laugh. We have developed a special bond. We have mommy and baby time every night. Moments when I stroke his soft fur and scratch his belly, and he relaxes, relays, and closes his eyes. It's like holding a baby who trusts you completely. Tippy knows his name, responds when I call him, and even knows how to express emotions. Sometimes he snuggles up to me as if to say, I'm here in home. Tippy has friends. Another raccoon with quirks that I've adopted. In fact, I have a few other raccoons. They play together, explore the house, and share food. I often see them cuddling or brushing each other's fur. It's incredibly touching to see how wild animals who have endured so much hardship can show such tenderness and care. But Tippy's story is not just about a rescued raccoon. It's about how wild animals are forced to adapt to life among humans because of the destruction of their natural habitats. People often see raccoons near houses or garbage cans and think they are pests, but they are really just trying to survive. If it weren't for urban development, large scale deforestation, and the disappearance of natural areas, they would be able to live in their burrows and find food naturally. But now, they have to find food where the forest refuge used to be. And instead of chasing them away or seeing them as a threat, people should show a little more understanding and compassion. Tippy is living proof that even the wildest of creatures can be loved, trusted, and find a family willing to accept them. He's a little furry wonder who remains playful and happy despite his challenges. And maybe his story will inspire someone else to look at these animals in a new way. If you like this story about Tippy, the incredible raccoon, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to see more touching and inspiring stories. Before bringing an exotic pet into your home,